Well, hello. Thank you so much for joining me again. I sincerely hope you had a great week and looking forward to the weekend. Happy Friday. Let me just take care of a few things and we will begin momentarily. Be right back. Okay. We are ready. Let's go. Hello, hi, how you doing? Okay. So, how was your week? I hope you had a good one. Any fun plans for the weekend? I hope you do. And if you don't, that's fine. You can just lay in bed, relax, watch a TV show, play some games. But for now, we are going to do some coding. We have a plan for today. The plan is to have a new alert. We're gonna have our own follower alert for Twitch. Let me pull up my notes. See what we are going to accomplish today. So we are going to create a new follower Twitch event overlay and message. Already have the documentation ready for the new subscription. We're going to check the code that we already have, that it's already subscribing us to the channel points reward redemption event, and we're going to add to that. I don't know if I'm going to have to cancel the current subscription or if I can add to it. Probably have to cancel it, but we'll see. Also, I thought about maybe having something fun when someone follows, having like a fun message. So me and ChatGPT came up with this few messages. For example, when someone follows, we can have a random message saying something funny about development, like I don't know, username hard-coded API keys and push to GitHub, something like that. Or they just approved their own pull request, or they force push to main and said it works on my machine. So yeah, we already have something similar in the inspire command, where we have a list of quotes and we can have a random one. So I thought maybe we can do something similar with this. we'll see how it goes. But yeah, that's the plan for today. Let's see how much we can get done in a couple of hours. Let me check the documentation real quick. So for channel follow, we need a new scope. So yeah, we're gonna have to re-authenticate the account. I don't know if we can subscribe to multiple events at once. Can we? Managing subscriptions. I don't think we can. Yeah, I don't think we can. I don't know how this is going to work. I mean, I do. It's just, it's going to be a little annoying, I guess. Because we have to subscribe to 2 events now. We probably have to do those. We probably have to do that in the same callback. It's kind of annoying. In fact, let's review the code that we currently have right now. Oh, we should push these changes before we start. Review this real quick. Can I make this bigger? No? Oh yeah, I can. Which event listener? We remove this. We remove the file name. Show overlay. We are now working with the base64 audio string directly into the audio tag. Manipulate audio event here. We remove this method. Change a few things in the text-to-speech service for the facade. Removed a column from the events table. We're now assigning a string to the source of the audio directly, and we have a button to play the audio in the Twitch event card. All right. It's good. Feet base 64 encoded. Audio source. Come on. There you go. Let's merge this and deploy it. I'll test it later. Right now we're working on the local overlay for the reminder of the stream, so if it doesn't work in production, no biggie. For now. That's that. Why do we show a pull request? No, never mind. All right, let's go to Forge and deploy this thing. Okay, and that's that. We're gonna take a break real quick for ads and then keep going. In the meantime, I'm going to look for the code that we need to review. My eyes are so tired. Let's see. New branch, please. Wait. Let's go to main. Pull everything down and then new branch. This will be follower alert overlay. Okay, if I remember correctly, where was the code? It was something like Twitch form, something like that. Twitch event subscription form, that's the one. All right, we're back. So, before I forget, let's start every single service under the sun. There, okay. Now, let's remember. So, open Google Chrome here. And let's log into the panel. Remember the place where we make the subscription to the events, which is in TTS panel ads, TTS panel test / events. Let's go there for now. And if we click here and then go to profile, we have a section here for Twitch event subscription. You're subscribed to Twitch events. When subscribed to Twitch events, so we are probably going to need to disable that. I don't know if we should do like a full wipe, like start from scratch. Because we are going to need a new scope. Okay, so maybe not wipe the database, but we definitely need to remove the authentication that we have right now. And then here, when this is not active, we call this method. So request an access token, subscribe to the event. We get a get request payload. What was that? What was this about? Oh. So we're gonna need two of these. So one is for this one, but we are going to need another one for the Twitch follow. And that's the annoying part. Which means, how do I go back to the previous one there? which means we're gonna have to get a payload for the first one, do a request, and then get another payload and do the second one. At any point in that process, either of those two can fail. We need to decide. I probably want to skip the rest of the process if one of those fails, and then return the JSON data status thing at that point. Or just throw the exception at that point. I don't know. Yeah, probably just this. So we're gonna do this part, check if we failed. If not, we're gonna do the second one and then check if we failed. And at the end, we're just going to return, I don't know, the status of the second one, I suppose. Yeah. This is verification responses. Webhook, callback, verification pending, which I'm guessing is the same for both events. That's always the same response when we are waiting for verification. This is gonna be a little hacky, I guess. All right, we'll see how it goes. Let me check something real quick. Well, no, okay. We could, just so that I don't have to write a second method, we can just pass a type here, and default to, this could be an enum, but I'm just gonna make it a string for now. No, there. And let's make, well, if it's not reward, then that's just the other one. So let's leave it like that. You take all of this and just put it here. And then for the other one, since it's very, very similar, I'm going to use the same structure and just change what is needed. Let's go and see what is that. All right, documentation. So the type is going to be channel follow. Version 2. The condition also has a broadcaster user ID, which is fine, and then the moderator user ID, that's not necessary. So that's it. Yeah, there is a moderator. Check on the condition real quick. New tab. Oh, they're both required. Okay. The broadcasted user ID for the channel you want to get follow notifications for. The ID of the moderator of the channel you want to get follow notifications for. If you have authorization from the broadcaster rather than a moderator. Moderator. Specify a broadcaster's user ID here. Okay, so it's gotta be the same. I'm gonna copy this. No, this. Like that. And just bring this one. Like that. And then what do we have next? Transport, webhook, that's pretty much the same. It doesn't change. So it's only this part here. So now here we can do this, that doesn't change. And I'm gonna pretty much just copy the entire thing again. Yank and paste. And in this case, the payload is going to be for follow. It really doesn't matter. It's just different than reward. And then we do that. Event subscription, payload. If it fails, we throw an exception. And the response status is going to be the same. See, this is the response. Channel follow webhook notification example. Is it gonna go right away to enabled? Is that? I don't think so. No. That's not how it works. Managing subscriptions, for example, we see here that that's the call. The requested seats, it returns its status 202. Yeah, we already know this. It's gonna be this first. Yeah. I guess we should delete the current subscription first. Yeah, let's do that. Let's start prepping for the whole thing. So let's remove the current subscription. Do I still have the code snippet for this thing? I suppose I do. Let me go and check. I don't. All right. I'm gonna create one real quick. So access token, that's fine. I'm gonna uncomment all of this like that. And then this call here is gonna be to this. Response with token with headers, client ID, content type, client ID, content type, and this goes to this. Like that, right? And if we run this, we should get a list of all the subscriptions that we have, which at the moment it's 2, 1 is enabled. And I don't know what this is about. Yeah, okay. We're going to delete those. So to delete one, it's like this. Same endpoint, different call type, as the ID. Let's take this ID here. Hi, not me, don't worry. What kind of DevOps experience do you have? I don't have much. Barely any. All right. Yeah, I don't deal with pipelines. That's another problem, another guy's problem. I should learn them though, at some point. So this is a delete subscriptions, pass the ID. This is going to delete this one here. Let me remove this call. Get a token, send a delete, run that. All right. Let's see if it worked. Yeah, right. Okay. That worked. Let's delete this one too. Here we go. Yeah. All right. We should be good. No subscriptions, so we can start fresh. Yep, empty. Let's check now the account. So comment this out. Now we need to check Twitch account. Let's get all of the records there. Let's see what we have. Only one. Maybe if I just set this to disable. Let's see. Find. That'll be one. And then I say account. Ooh, account. Status. I should just delete that. Maybe I should remove the entire thing. Let me check something real quick. Back in the code. the header has the button that authorizes the user with Twitch, which we have to modify to include a new scope. So let me go and find that real quick. Maybe in the web file here, it's a Twitch event. No, redirect callback. It should be redirect. This is the one that authorizes. So Twitch controller redirect. Okay, here are the scopes. We are going to need a new one. Let me find that again. Here, this is the scope. Moderator, read followers. Whoop. Add it here. All right. Now, let me check the header. Nothing here. Should be in the resources folder. That's a view, like a component. Resources, views, layouts. No. Components, no. Navigation menu, no, that's not it. Hey, Demo 1A3, what theme do I use? Capucci Frappe. Capuchin Frappe, actually. Yeah, I use the Capuchin VS Code theme and the Capuchin icons as well. And I use the Frappe flavor. Where is the header? Is it in Livewire? Pages? No. Oh, for crying out loud. Navigation menu. Let's take a look at this. Navigation menu, that's the one. Yeah, I was right. That's in components. Components. Not in components. Okay, gotta be in Livewire. Not in Livewire. Okay, this is it. Where is that button? Oh, this is the one. If all the user Twitch. So yeah, I should, because this is checking for the existence of a relationship between the user and Twitch, which is the Twitch account stable. If I just remove that, then I'll have this button again. Let's do that. Just delete it. Boom. So that means if I go back here and refresh, go to events. There you go, Twitch sign in. So as soon as I click that button now, I'm going to have to re-sign in or reauthorize the application. and that will give the new scope that I need, or that will give my application the new scope that I need. So let's try that. Don't fail me now. There we go. So we have the channel point rewards, create clips, read emails, and read the list of followers. This is the new one. All right, click authorize, and we're good to go. Okay. Now if we go to profile, there is the you have not subscribed to any Twitch events. Now, as soon as I click this, we are going to get a verification request on the Twitch controller. Let me get that Twitch controller. Callback? No. Event. Yeah, we're gonna get one of these. Webhook callback verification. I'm assuming that both of those subscription requests are gonna have the same verification request, which means that I'm going to have 2 calls to this route, and they both will have a challenge that I have to return in the response, like this. So I get a challenge in the request, I get the account ID in the condition. Let me go ahead and double check that real quick. No, I'm pretty sure it's the same. Can't change. Notification, condition, broadcast IDs. Yeah, it's gonna be that. We get the Twitch account with that account ID, set the status as enabled, save it, and then broadcast a new Twitch account updated. This event is going to allow the form where we click that button to change the message. I don't remember if we ever fixed this. It may not work, it may do work, we'll find out. In fact, let me check this, because that's broadcast. Should be broadcast. Let me check this real quick. Should broadcast. Oh, it's not gonna work. It's gotta be a channel, not a private channel. We're not dealing with private channels right now. Channel accounts updated. Sure. And then this should be listened in Twitch event subscription form. Am I listening for this? Yes, but it's not private. Not private anymore. Echo account updated, Twitch account updated, and then goes to on Twitch account updated, which is an empty method just for us to refresh the component. Are we on ads? Yes. I really need to automate that. Anyway, let's take a break before we move on. What is that? 1 second. And this doesn't hide the... never mind. Guess I moved the camera and I didn't notice. Why am I so out of frame here? What's happening? Whoop, there you go. If I can expand this a little more, all the way there. Okay. Whoop, whoop. Okay. Super high production, isn't it? Almost done. 5 more seconds. And we're out. We're back. Oh my god, what happened? Where am I? Oh, I hid I hid the camera, but it never mind. We're back. I got scared for a second. Okay, so this technically should work, may not work, we'll see. At least we should have at least 2 subscriptions as soon as I click this button here. I'm gonna keep an eye on the queue over here. This queue should start moving once I click that button. Let's check it out. Wait, no, 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 no. Problem. I'm gonna have to do this live because when Twitch calls the route to verify the address, it's gonna have to be a public address. So yeah, let's quickly deploy this and just test it live. Okay. As of now, we just have this change, and this whole change here. This is gonna be fun. New, okay, that'll be a feat. New subscription. Callback, I guess. New subscription. Let's leave it at that. Okay. Guess we're gonna have a problem because I won't have this in my local database, which sucks. I'm gonna have to share this. Might not. I really didn't want to do that, but okay, fine. Fine. I really need that in my local database. If I don't do that, then the refresh token is not gonna match. Hate that. I hate this. Hate it. All right. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Where do we go first? Let's go to Twitch. Although, no, never mind. Let's go to Twitch. No, not that Twitch. Dev Twitch. TTS panel. Let's view this and let's manage it. We have 2 callbacks. Wait, is this gonna work? I don't even remember how we did this. This is for the all out. How about the... Oh, crap. Crappity crap. It was in the subscription. Yeah, this here. What is the app URL right now? Yeah, it's gonna go to this. So let me check something. No, there is no subscription. Okay. This is gonna suck ass. I guess. Yeah, it's gonna have to be that way. I'm gonna have to go to herd, or actually here, and just... I'm gonna need a new window here. Do it that way. Make it a bit bigger. All right, where is the URL? This one. So I need this to be in here. I need to change it there so that when I click that button and make the subscriptions are going to be tied to this public address that is shared with expose. so that when Twitch makes the verification or try to verify that callback, it's going to actually be able to, because this address is going to be public. So I will see the verification callback and will be able to respond to it, and therefore have the subscriptions enabled. I guess I'll have to go through the exact same process when I'm live, which is annoying, but okay. Okay, that's there. Let's keep an eye on this window and head back here and click this button. Oh, I need to reauthorize. All right, 2 posts, 2 replies, queue is running. Account updated twice, that's fine, and this didn't work. Okay, that's still like that. I have to refresh the page myself. And now we are subscribed to Twitch events. Still sucks, but I guess the whole process worked. And if I go to here, and then let me comment this out and just query the subscriptions that I have. Oh, I missed this line here. So yeah, I have 2 enabled, and this one, channel follow, enabled. Good. The only problem is that those are calling this address here, which is the local one. It's going to be disabled after 1 hour, but I guess that's fine. I guess when I deploy again, I should, in fact, wipe the database clean somehow, or just remove the account, as I did with this one. And that will create another 2 set of subscribers. So I'll have a total of 4 once I have deployed and resubscribe on the live server. So I have 2 test ones and 2 live ones. Yeah, okay, sounds good. Now, is there a way I can in the code that handles those notifications, which is in Twitch controller here? Ooh, what are you complaining about? What are you saying here? Oh. Expected type illuminate HTTP response, which is the response type. Okay. Sure. Okay, not a real problem. That's fine. So this is a type of notification. Services, Twitch, subscription type. Let me look for that real quick. Services, Twitch, subscription type. So I can hover this command. Yeah, there you go. Oh, we're gonna need another case here because we are going to get another type of notification, which is a different type. Let me look for it real quick. No, not you. You're done. Twitch event message type. Yeah, okay. So the Twitch event message type is always going to be notification. That's fine. But what changes is request subscription. Type. It's going to be channel follow. Okay. We're gonna need another case. Case within a case? Ugh. I guess that's fine. What happens if is it possible to have an array of subscription types? Ooh. Is that even a thing? Because I can do something like channel follow here. Channel dot follow. Is that doable though? Let me check. What if I just call all the way up here? What if I call config? Actually, let me just go grab that. Config. Twitch. No, services. Twitch. that gives me an array. Okay, cool. Let's change that to subscription types. Oop, bump, bump, bump. It works. Back to here. And just so that we can pass this, we can say if not in array, that'll be the needle. This will be the haystack. So basically what I'm saying is, if the subscription type that comes in the request is not part of this subscription types array, then it's an invalid request. Then I have to make the decision. Which one is it? Okay. Since I have two, I can just ask if it is channel follow. I'll do one thing. If it's not, what do I have to do, by the way? Okay, so one has a message. Let me check the actual message event, user ID. So both have the user ID, which is good. Only one has a message. Idea. Ooh. No, that's not gonna work. What type is response? What response are we talking about? This one here? Are you talking about this squiggly line? It's like response factory, and it's expecting this one instead. I can fix that later. It's not really breaking anything. It's just IntelliFN's type not matching. But yeah. What I don't like about this is that I lose my access to the subscription type from the configuration. So if I have to make a decision here, now I only have an array with two values. I don't know which one is which, so I'll have to just hard code the value again for now. Like say something like if request subscription type equals, and then I'll have to go and grab that value from the configuration file. I don't like that, but anyway. So in both cases, I do need the account ID. Only in one, I need a message. Can I reuse the Twitch event receive event and add an extra thing here saying what kind of event it is? I guess so. Now I need to go into this event and add one more property, public string type. All right. So I get a notification. It's one of two types based on the subscription types configuration keys. I get the account ID in both cases. There will always be. Oh, but wait a second. Is it in the event? Yes, it's in the event user ID key right here, but only in the event of type redemption, channel points, custom reward redemption add, I will get a message. Now, message, I should initialize it here. Just so it's not null. So if it's channel point rewards redemption, we get a message. Set the type. If it's not that, then it's the only other kind of event, which is a follow event. Set the type. Message is message is empty, and then raise this event. Now the listener for that event is where we have to make a decision. Not before we wait for ads. Yeah, not everyone sees ads, but just in case, if someone is getting an ad and it's not subscribed, you are subscribed, so you're not getting ads, I guess. Yes, that's the case. Yeah, correct. But just in case someone is not subscribing and watching and they get ads, so we just make a pause for when that happens. We wait for everyone. Okay, ads be gone. Okay, ads are over. Let's move on. Now, we raised the Twitch event received. Now we need to go to the listener. And this is where we have to make a decision based on the type. We get the event in the handle. We don't need a file name anymore. That can go away. Thank you. We get the Twitch user. We get the Twitch user color based on the account ID. Twitch user display name. If we don't have that, that's weird, but fine. Missing Twitch user information. Don't remember what was this about. Oh, I see. I remember. This is so I can have the profile and the nickname for the user that basically triggered the event. Okay. And then the colors. There is no display name or image URL, then we throw an exception. Otherwise, we create an event. Now, do I want this to over there? Yes, I do. There's not going to be a message. Oh, we're going to need a new column here. So we're not really going to make a decision here. We're just going to. Oh, okay. All right. For now, let's do that, and let's create a migration. Update Twitch events table, add type column for the table, Twitch events. So we just need a new string column named type, and make it nullable because we already have data in the database and we don't have to mess with that. We don't want to mess with that, so that should be good. And we never go back. So delete, oh, not you. Delete that. Let's run this. Yeah, let's run this. PHP artisan migrate. Good. Now, what I want to do is, how many events do I have, by the way? I do want to give a value to the current events that I have on the table, so they are all of type reward. Total of 10. Okay, so type is null. Let's do this. I am going to say, can I do a mass update here? Twitch event update type reward. Will it let me? Can I be style? Okay. Called statically. All right, let's do it differently then. We're gonna raw dog it here. DB, and give me that DB class statement, or yeah, statement. There you go. Don't do this. Don't do that at home, kids. That was very dangerous. If you do this kind of updates without a where, you might just screw up your database. So please don't do that. Don't do as I do. Just do as I say. All right. All of the current events are reward. All right. Now, we need to just show TTS events on the two lists that we currently have. And on the overlay, we want to show a different kind of message or a different kind of design without a message. Oh, the message. I'm a dumbass. I can just set the message to whatever I want. Yeah. I'm stupid. Okay, here we go. Remember what I said about the message? This can be the message. It's just that it doesn't come in the event. I said it myself. Duh. Duh. Hold on, let's go back. Quick steps. Where was it? In... Was it in the listener? Yeah, okay. No, in the event. Twitch event received here. No, Twitch controller. Okay. Right here. Instead of just setting the message to an empty string, when it's follow, this is where I set the random message, so that the overlay will work on both cases, because there is always going to be a message, and that message is going to be either a user message or a random message, and they both can be sent to Google, synthesized, and then played back. Okay, I like that. Let's examine how the inspire code works and do something similar. Inspiring.php is basically just... Okay. I love that. Trying to decide where I'm going to put my own class that is going to be similar to the inspiring class, but instead of inspiring, I'm just going to call it enraging. New class, enraging quote. And then I'm going to have all of this little quotes or messages based on the username. I can just append the username when I'm creating the string. And then I'll just be able to get one random like this. Where do I put this? Services? Enums, console, commands, or just raw dogging app, and that's it. Yeah, not gonna think about it too much. Oh my god. Stop. Sometimes I hate this author, whatever the hell this is doing. Oh, snippets. That's... I don't want those. Stop doing that. Okay. Doesn't look great, but we can format this real quick. Why? Why? Oh my god. Really? Okay. Different idea. Stop. For the love of God. There you go. Nope, that didn't work. Okay. Static. Huh. Oh, this has to be a collection. Collection. Okay, never mind. The only thing I'm not going to do here is map it for, just format it for console output. I'm just going to get a random one like this. There. So if everything goes well, we can actually test this out. You can say enraging quote. Committed straight to main without a single comment. Just wrote an SQL query without a where clause. That was me just a few minutes ago. Fix the bug by commenting out the error message. Classic. Publish directly to the main branch. Have done that. Deploy to production without testing. Yeah, guilty. Okay, so that's working. So now I can go here and go back to Twitch controller, was it? Yes. I can say message equals enraging quote. And that gets passed into the Twitch event received. So do I really need to pass a type in that case? I don't think I do. So that column was worthless. My eyes are burning. Squirrel, squad cam. Hey, hello, how you doing, man? Thank you so much for joining me. Squirrel, squad cam. That's an awesome name. So yeah, I don't see why I need a type for the Twitch event received. Or maybe I do. I guess the only reason I can think of is by filtering events in the list of events and only showing TTS ones. I guess. Yeah, let's keep it. Let's keep it like that. In fact, let's go to show Twitch events. Where am I getting the list of events? Here. There, that's it. Oh, and past events too. What was the name of that? Played Twitch events. All right, that should do it. We only see TTS events on those two lists, but the overlay remains unchanged. Yes. Now, I have a command that simulates a reward event. Maybe I can modify that one to simulate a follow event and test it out. In fact, I have to modify this to pass the type. Ooh, word that, okay. Twitch event. Maybe I can just do this. Yoink, paste. I don't need a quote, just to broadcast a Twitch event with an empty message. Wait. No, yeah, I do need the message. But we get a quote. Oh, wait, I need to pass the username here. Oh, a few more things. The quote will be enraging. Quote like this. And pass that as the message. Ads, is it? Yes. Okay, let's take a break real quick. We will continue momentarily. We're close. We're getting close. Things are looking good, I think. Hopefully, let's cross fingers. And yes, I am aware that testing is going out the window right now, and it's going to come back and bite me in the ass as hard as it can. But I'll worry about that later on. Right now, I just want to see this working. So I'm guessing if I pass user ID, account ID, and then the message, I can then take the username and append that to the message. Okay. Okay. Should be easy. Here. All right, we're back. Okay, so on the new Twitch event receive event that we're broadcasting, we're going to pass the new quote, which is the enraging one. So that's going to be broadcasted. Twitch event received, and then this is going to be handled in the Twitch event listener, where we are going to get the Twitch user, get the color. The Twitch user is going to then have a display name. And this is where we should append the display name to the message if the type is, hold on one second. If the type is follow. So if the event type is follow, we concatenate, we basically say message is equal to, wait, no. It's equal to Twitch user space event message. Like so. And then we pass that to the creation of the event that puts it in the database, and then broadcast the Twitch event created event with that Twitch event ID, which is being listened by everyone. Now, this is the thing. This is going to be listened by the overlay. And also by the lists, but the lists are already filtering that by type, so there's not a problem there. So the overlay is going to listen for this and then show up with the message. Okay, that should work. Let's try it out, shall we? Going back here, making sure that the TTS local is good and working. Seems to be. So in theory, I can go back here and open a terminal and say PHP artisan Twitch follow. Let me keep an eye on the queue. Maybe a restart should be good. Yeah, okay. There's a queue. Let me make it bigger. You don't like that? Restart. Okay. There's the queue. Fail. Okay, why? Array to string conversion where? Twitch event listener line 41. Okay. Oh, of course. I'm an idiot. Twitch user display name. All right, let's try that again.
Tuto 1902 just force pushed to main and said, "It works on my machine."
That was nice. That worked. Let's do another one. Another one. Another one. Didn't see it in the overlay.
Tuto 1902 deployed with a temporary fix that became permanent.
Another one.
Tuto 1902 just force pushed to main and said, "It works on my machine."
That's the same one. RNG not working great.
Tuto 1902 pushed to production on a Friday.
Why would you do that? Why? That's not good. I wonder if nah, that's too much work. I was wondering if I should change the sign of the overlay based on the tie, but this works fine.
Tuto 1902 fixed a bug by commenting out the error message.
I'll just have to be aware that that kind of a message, it's a follow. So I'll just have to be aware that that's what's happening instead of just taking it as face value, I guess.
Tuto 1902 deployed with a temporary fix that became permanent.
Okay. That's kind of what I wanted. Can always be improved, but at least that's what I wanted. Technically, if I want to put this in production later, I'll just have to push, deploy, and then some cleaning on the database. But that's boring stuff. We can work on that polish later. Right now we have close to 2 hours. We made it. Awesome. But we're not gonna end here, because today I have a plan. Now that we coded, it is time to play a game of Balatro. Let me see if I can get this working. Okay, we're gonna do this live. I've never done this before. It may blow up my machine. Maybe, maybe not. So first thing I'm gonna do is kill the background music. There you go. And then I'm going to change. I'm gonna close everything first of all. Thank you so much for your service. You can go away. Chrome, quit. Git, quit. Obsidian, quit. And VS Code, quit. This is like a practice session because eventually this is going to be like more automated and I'm going to be able to do this on the fly. Right now, I'm just going to see how it feels. And this is basically the only game that I can play on this machine. Tinkerwell, quit. Arc, quit. And then let's just launch it. Let's send it. I'm gonna keep an eye on the sound. If it's too loud, please let me know. see how how's it looking. I'm gonna take it down a notch. Like that. And on my side too, because it's kind of light on my side. Okay. How about that? That sounds good to me. If it's too loud on your end, please let me know. I can't see OBS in this configuration, so I'm gonna have to assume that you can see the game and myself. That's the problem with doing this on the Mac. Can't do two things at once. But yeah, let's play some games. Enjoy the rest of the evening. I have some achievements on this. Last time I played, I managed to beat the game with a red deck. So I'm working my way up the decks. The next one is this one. So basically, to unlock this one, I have to win a run with the yellow deck on any difficulty. So let's go ahead and look for the yellow deck. And with the yellow deck, I start with an extra $10. Let's see if we can win a run today. It'll be difficult. I don't think we're gonna do it, but let's try. Also, I think there wasn't an update for this customized deck? Yes. Yeah, there was an update for this. So the Witcher. So for the queens, so for the spades, sorry, spades. Let's go with the Witcher. Hearts, we're gonna do Among Us. Clubs, let's go with Vampire Survivors, of course. And then what are the other options? Slay the Spire, Potioncraft, Warframe, Vault-Tec, Dead by Daylight, yeah. Vampire Survivors. And then diamonds, we have Dave the Diver, Stardew Valley, yeah, that's the one. Enter the Gungeon, 10,000 Resist. I don't know this game. Civ 7, Rust. We're gonna go with Stardew Valley. Alright, back. All spade scars are debuffed. Let's start playing. What do we have here? Absolutely nothing. 5, 6, 7. I need an 8 if I want to play that. Or a heart. So let's get rid of the 7, the 9. Actually, just all of that. I'm looking for a flush. And I got nothing. Let's try that again. Give me a heart. There you go. Now, what do we have? I have a pair, or I can look for the straight. No, let's play 2 pairs. That should give us the win for now. $7 buckaroos. That puts us at 21. What's the voucher? Raise the cap on interest earned each round to 10. Not really. Oh. Yeah, I like this one. Aces give 20 chips and +4 mold when scored. If we're lucky, we can get the one that replays the first card every time, so this will give +40 and +8. We'll see. gonna get this one, and then let's open this pack here. That's a small boy. This joker gains 8 chips when each played 2 is scored. Not really my thing. We might go for flushes. Maybe. That's a +10 malt. Alright, I'm gonna get you just in case. And since we have the monies, let's open this one too. Let's see. That's more money, but not really. Up to 3 selected card to hearts. If we're gonna go for flushes, we might want to start turning everything into hearts. Yeah, I think this is the one. Let's turn this one, and how many? 3. Okay. You. So we can use the A's in any flush, and we can use this joker here. All right, that's a flush right there. Almost. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fish for it. That's a flush. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that gives us +10. No A's though. Ooh, easy. Alright, what are we at? This joker gains times 25 mode for each card sold. Resets when the boss blind is defeated. Currently ×1. Not really gonna sell much. It's getting cold in here. Hold on. Alright, I'm gonna turn it off for now. What is this? Convert 3 cards to spades. Not working with spades right now. Find another joker maybe. Ooh, +10. 2 pairs. +1 mult per tarot card. Tarot. I don't know how to say that. Tarot. Is it tarot or tarot? Tarot. For tarot card, use this run. Not gonna play that. +1 discard each round. That's kind of a big thing. Because I'm gonna be fishing for flushes a lot. This one is +10. That's tough. Okay, I'm gonna go with holographic for now. All spades are debuffed. That's fine. Oh great, nothing. That's an ace. Need 3 more hearts. Come on, baby. Give me 3 more hearts. Nice. There you go. Win. This is not gonna give me any +10. Just the base +10 of holographic. I'm gonna get +10 for the flush, and then another 20 chips and +4 with that ace. Already won. Okay, this is looking good so far. Okay, what is this? Adds double the rank of lowest. Nah. Play cards with diamonds. No. Okay, that's kind of crap. Let's open this one. We need hearts. You go in. Let's get another one. Damn. Plus 10 holographic. I'm gonna get this one just banking on a tarot card that can maybe either make it a wild card or just change the rank, the suit. So I'm gonna get it. What is this? Celestial packs always contain the planet. Never mind. I'm gonna bank some money over there. I should skip this one so I can get initial cards and booster packs in the next shop for free. Oh dear lord, look at that. That's gonna hurt. All hearts are debuffed. That's not good. Why? I don't think we're gonna make it past that. Yeah, I'm gonna skip this one and play this one. Yeah, we're gonna have to fish for a different kind of flush, but not now. Rank. It's 2 pairs. Give me a 10. Come on. Give me a 10. No? Well, alright. Play 2 pairs. That'll give me another plus 10. And then that the ace. Plus 10. Okay, we're good. Cruising. We might make it. We might make it. Alright, you. Plus 3 mold for each joker. So that's times 9 currently. So 3, 6, 9. With you, it'll be 12. What are you? Spades. Alright, you go in. I'm gonna put you over here. And let's look for an spectral card. Let's see what we got. Black hole. Upgrade every poker hand by 1 level. Ooh, that's kind of big. Creates a tarot card. Tarot card when discarded. Nah. My hand size goes to minus. I do need that. No, this is the one. We get 1 more joker if we get it, but my hand size goes minus 1. That's the one I wanted. Good. Another arcana. All right. Gold card. Plus 11. 2 random tarot cards. Increases the rank of 2 cards and a stone card. None of this works for me. Other than maybe getting another 11 for the next round. Let's use this one though. Boom, boom. Doubles my money. Okay, max of 20. That's okay. So if I use it, is it gonna give me anything? Do I get 40? Nope. Okay, nice. I actually do. Destroy two. I'm gonna leave that one there. And you, maybe I can sell you later. I have money. Let's re-roll. 2 chips for each remaining card in deck. Oh, that's big. Yeah. This joker gains +1 mult per consecutive hand played without scoring a face card. That's not gonna work for me. You, on the other hand, are big early game. There you go. So I'm gonna put you over here. So I got 108 plus chips. That'll work. Anything better though? No, no. How about you? No. Okay, let's save some money. Let's go bid this run, bid this ante without any hearts. Cool. I need a J. Can I get a J? Or should we fish for a diamond though? Yeah, that worked. Let me discard this too. Play this one. So that's the ace right there. This one is +10 and another 10 chips. Yeah, this should work. Let's go. Yep, easy. There's the bot again. Be gone, bots. Yeah, banned. All right. Enhances 1 card to a stone card. Not interested in if the first hand of round is a single 6. Nope, that's not gonna work. What do you have? Useless. All right, we're gonna wait for ads. I'm gonna see if this works still. I have to kill that music though. There. Oh, what's this? Ooh, that's good. Redeem. Okay. I think this run is looking pretty good. I've seen worse. A lot worse. Another 10 seconds of ads and we can keep going. Oh, I forgot to change the category of the stream. I should do that now. Let me go and check if that works. And ads are over. check real quick. Twitch. Refresh. Should have done this before. Yeah, categories. Good. I can see myself and the game. Good. All right. All things are working. Let's keep going. Maybe I should start investing in ranking up my hands. Full house, high card, four of a kind. Go with full house for now. No. No. Right, next. Starts with 0 discards. That's not great. Let's see. Not what I wanted. Nice. Just like that. 0 effort. Neptune straight flush. No. I do have a lot of hearts, but I do have space. Hold on. Yeah, I do have 17 hearts. More than anything. And I'm planning on playing flush, so I guess you're getting in for now. So it's +3. You go there. And let's get you. All right. Useless. All right, I'm gonna enhance you two as lucky cards. And let's see what we have here. That's 2 pairs again. We're not even trying. This is carrying me. Like 110 chips. With +10, 13, 23. 23 base. That's just winning every time. What are you? +12 mode if it contains a straight. Nope. No, thank you. How about you? Jumbo Arcana. Enhances 2 selected target molds. No. Doubles the money. That'll be nice. Oh, we need more hearts. Yes, 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 yes. You, and you. Upgrade the flush. No. No discards, that's fine. 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe I should fish for that flush. And that's a high card. That's fine because there's an ace there. Let's play that. High card. Not even trying. This is awesome. Let's see how much it goes. How much we can take. How further we can take this. Creates a title card if poker hand contains an ace and a straight. Nah. What is it? One consumable slot. Not needed. When the round begins, add a random playing card with a random seal to your hand. That's actually not bad. I don't have space though. Everything I have right now, I need. So no, let's just get one of these and move on. Lose $1 per card played. Not cool. Next base edition shop Joker is free and becomes holographic. Ooh. Ooh. Do I want that? I think I want that. So I skip this one, play that one, and by the time I get here, I get a new holographic, which is +10. I could get rid of one of these. Maybe you? Because this is just dependent on me having a flush. But if I have a holographic, whatever it is, it's a guaranteed +10. So yeah, skip. What do we have here? Can I get a full house? I can, thank you very much. Boom. On fire. Look at that, 14,000. Double. There you go. +1 mold per tarot card. Oh, look at that. That's a +10. +5, that's a +15. So you can go right away and clear up. Need you. You go over here. That's nice. That's nice. You, what are you doing? Create up to two random planet cards. Must have room. Actually, you can just sell this one. Use you. That increases the mold to +6. 4 of a kind, 3 of a kind. Just use those two. Nice, nice. And let's use one more. That's flush, level 3. And I guess 2 pair, level 3. Alright, we're gonna lose some money here, but that's fine. Okay, so that's 1 pair. I'm gonna fish for the flush. And I got it. Flush level 3. +1 ace at the start. Yep. Easy. I think we're gonna win this one. All right. No, thank you. Four of a kind, not really. Does nothing. I don't know what that does. Nothing. I know, but it's got to do something. Can I get a tarot card? Or maybe I'll open you up first. Oh, we need this one, because when we discard this one, we get a tarot card, and with a tarot card, I always say it differently. Have you noticed? Is it tarot? I'm gonna say tarot card. With those, I can increase this one every time I use one. So you are going in. Maybe we can re-roll. There you go. Converts 3 selected cards to diamonds. I'm gonna buy you. Keep you in deck. Keep going. First hand is drawn face down. Perfect, no problem. One, two, three, four. Maybe we can fish for that flush. I don't want to lose this one though. Or 13 diamonds. Maybe I can make a few more diamonds to increase the chances of doing a flush with the diamond, because I have this plus 10 here, and I could, in theory, make another 3. Stop it. So if I take 1, 2, 3, that'll be 4, and then fish for the next one. Maybe make this 3. So I don't lose the ace of hearts. Let's try that. All right. And then fish for the next one. I'm actually going to play this one. Play high card, ace, so I can get that. Worth it. Almost there. And look at that, we get a flush. All right. We are cruising. Oh, yes, yes. I was looking for you. Imagine this with this. Yeah. We need you. But what are we giving up? You. So we're giving up every since. Okay, so with this one, I can re-trigger the first card played every time, and I can make that card be an ace. How many aces do I have? That's the problem. Only 4. No, that's not gonna work. I think it would have been better if I had more aces, but I only have 4, and I have a lot of hearts and diamonds, so I'm banking on flushes first. So giving this one away is not gonna work. This one's giving me a lot of chips at the beginning, so it's kind of carrying me. No, I think ballad is not gonna work. Would have been great, but not this time. Not with this kind of hand. So let's go with the Arcana. Few tarot cards. Compared to clubs, no. Create up to 2 random planets. And oh yeah, I need more diamonds. Make those diamonds. That increases this to +8 malt. And let's keep going. Few free booster cards next. I think we're good with the combination that we have, so I think we can skip this one and go straight to this, and then we get free cards and boosters next. I'm gonna skip that one. Yeah, sure, why not? I'm just gonna play it. Wait, let's see. Yeah, not bad. All right. Play that straight. Get that ace at the beginning. Lots of hearts. And we're almost there. And look at that. Beautiful flush. This one's decreasing every time. Maybe you're going next. This is because of the amount of cards I have left. But still. Yeah, okay, never mind. So everything's free. Nice. This is good. Let's redeem that one. Overstocked. +3 malt on final hand. This could be big. Still, I don't know what to give away. Nothing seems good. Enhances one selected. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna buy that one. Base cards. I don't know if that's good or not. Guess not. Doesn't really. Okay. All I have right now is base multipliers. That's a problem. That's plus more chips, +4, +3 for each heart, +18, +10, plus another 10 if there is a 2 pair, and +18 based on all the jokers that I have. So no, none of this is worth it. Let's go with this one. Destroy 1 random card in your hand and add 3 enhanced face cards to your hand. No. Add a gold sealed to 1 selected hand. Sure, I don't know. You. What else? Creates a planet card for the final. Creates a planet card for the final played poker hand of round if held in hand. Oh, clear. Add a blue seal. Oh, never mind. I was reading the left hand before the right hand. Adds a polychrome to a random joker and destroy the others. No, thank you. No. Create 2 copies of one selected hand. Oh, that's good. Too bad the cards that I have are not great. Or I can do this. I can make this one a wild card. That, and then create 2 copies of that. That works. So I can use those in any flush combination. Right, next round. All face cards are debuffed. Mother of... Oh, look. Next base edition shop joker is free and becomes negative. Yes, please. Rerolls the... I need that. Rerolls the boss blind. I don't want this. Skip. We're going straight to it, I guess. Extra large blind. Oof, 80,000. That's gonna be tough. Okay. Let's find a flush. Give me the flush. All right. 3 aces. Why are you not a heart? I guess I can play that first. And hopefully I can get a flush next. Because this one's going to give me 20, 40, 60 plus chips. And plus 8 malt. No, 4 plus 12 malt. So that's big. And then added to the 96. And then another plus 6 for each heart. Plus 29. Another 20 because that's no, it's not a 2 pair. So just plus 10 and plus 18. That's a good decision. Okay, let's go. Not even close. That's a flush, right? See how that goes. Lots of hearts. I don't know. 2 hands to this card is gonna be tight. Tight. Is that... I guess that's a strike. J, 10, J, Queen, K, Ace. See how that one goes. I have a heart, an ace. Come on. 42. No. This is game over. Didn't make it. Wasn't enough. That's another flush, I guess. But that's not gonna get me anywhere near. We need like another 40,000. Okay. Didn't scale. Yeah. Yeah, that was a problem. I was having a lot of base malt at the beginning, but it didn't scale up because I didn't have any malt. Multiplicative. And every time I was playing, the base chips of the first Joker they were just going down and down. Yeah. Okay. It was good though. Not good enough. Okay, that was good practice. That was a good game. Again, this might be the new format going forward. Maybe. I'm gonna try this a few more times next week. Just playing a few games of Balatro at the end of the stream. Just a palate cleanser. I'm gonna snooze those ads because we are about to finish. And I'm gonna quit this. Back to music. And you go away. All right. Thank you so much, everyone who joined me today. Don't forget to click the like button if you found any of this helpful. Follow me on Twitch if you're not doing so already. And let's raid someone, shall we? Let's see who's on today. Someone else is playing Balatro. But I don't know them. Let's go for the safe choice. Just because it's safe doesn't mean it's not good. All right. Thank you, everyone. I hope you have a great weekend, and I'll see you on Monday. Bye.